Being a secret agent comes with the necessity of being equipped with the latest and most advanced spy gadgets to carry out your mission successfully. In this video, we will look at 20 of the must-have gadgets for every secret agent and for everyone wanting to protect themselves. These gadgets not only make your job easier, but also ensure your safety and help you stay one step ahead of your enemy. Number 1. The Hausbell listening device. The Hausbell listening device is a small device designed to amplify and record sound from a distance. The design is appealing. The 8 binoculars let you view objects 8 times closer, and it also has an ergonomically designed handle, making it simple to operate with one hand by pulling the on/off switch trigger. It also has a volume knob, letting you adjust the volume as you see fit, and a headphone jack for discreet listening. It is powered by a rechargeable 9-volt battery, which you have to buy separately. You can get it for $42. Number 2. A smoke detector with Wi-Fi spy camera. This gadget looks exactly like a smoke detector, but it's far from it. It is a surveillance camera that is capable of recording audio and video. It can connect to the internet thanks to its Wi-Fi feature, allowing remote access to the camera's live feed and recorded footage through a smartphone app or web browser. It comes with a built-in rechargeable battery and supports recording while charging. It also includes night vision, motion detection, and push alerts. It's sold for $42. Number 3. Spytec real-time GPS tracker. Want to keep track of a person without their knowledge? The Spytec GPS tracker is the best gadget for the job. Using 4G satellite technology, it offers the fastest GPS trackers for vehicles, valuables, and equipment. You will get an alert about your victim's location through the iOS and Android apps. Spytec GPS also comes with a reporting mode, which lets you customize the update frequency of your trackers, giving you greater control over the battery life and the speed of updates. The battery can last 14 days. With the Time Machine feature, you can go back in time to check the history of any tracked asset. You can get the gadget for $14. Number 4. The Hausbell 64GB Spy Camera Hidden Camera Car Key. This gadget looks like a car key, but it's actually a spy camera. The Spy Camera Car Key comes with a built-in 64GB memory card and video and picture quality of 1080 and Full HD, respectively. It also comes with a superb battery that can continuously record video for up to 6 hours, unlike the conventional car key spy camera, which can only record for 75 minutes. The Spy Camera Car Key can automatically record a series of 5 minutes of video when any movement is detected, which saves more storage than loop filming mode. It also comes with a charging cable, and you can get it for $39. Number 5. The Motorola T100 Talkabout Radio. The Motorola T100 is a set of 2 compact two-way radios designed for communication between 2 people nearby. It features 22 channels, which allow you to choose a clear channel for communication and avoid interference from other radios. They also feature a call tone to alert the person you want to talk to and a keypad lock to prevent your personalized settings from being tampered with. They have a lightweight and compact design, making them easy to carry around. The communication range depends on the location of both individuals. You can get this useful gadget for $38. Number 6. VABSCE Digital Night Vision Binoculars. Want to watch the wildlife or hunt at night, or even monitor a person at night? This night vision binocular is the perfect gadget. Featuring a no-glow infrared illuminator and an all-optical binocular system, this night vision binocular boasts 100% clear vision in 100% darkness or dim ambient light. With its 3 modes, taking pictures, recording a video without sound, and playback, you can capture 1080p high-definition photos and videos with its outstanding optical clarity in the daytime, in low light, or at night. The playback will be viewed on a 4-inch LCD widescreen, which has 0 to 15 levels of adjustable screen brightness. With its wide range of zoom functionalities, including 3x digital zoom, it can perform powerful zooming to illuminate objects. Additionally, it comes with 8 AA batteries, which boast 10 hours of working time. It also comes with a 64GB memory card and supports 8GB to 128GB external cards. The features are just limitless. You can get this amazing device for $269. Number 7. Dual Focus Zoom Telescope. The Dual Focus Zoom Telescope is another perfect gadget to prevent darkness from being a hindrance to your spying or sightseeing. It's equipped with an incredible vision that can let you see just about any target. With its 52mm objective lens and 18.5mm eye lens, objects become 16 times closer and clearer. The telescope is also waterproof and fog-proof, making it suitable for any weather or environment. The high-power binocular is only 190mm high, super compact, and small enough to put into a pocket, making it convenient to carry everywhere. It also comes with a sizable bag, and you can get it for a cheap price of $15. Number 8. Long Distance Connection Bracelet. This gadget is designed to mend the bridge between two lovers. The Long Distance Connection Bracelet will keep you connected and in touch with your loved ones while apart by mimicking the natural vibration of their touch with just a tap on it. It's customizable. You can customize it to match any color you like. With its excellent battery life, up to 4 full days between charges, stay connected with your partner for continuously long periods. The IP67 rated bracelet can be submerged in water up to 3 feet deep, making it suitable for anywhere you go. Access each other through the app, which is compatible with iOS and Android. You can also check past chats and replay anyone you want. You can get this lovely gadget for $138. Number 9. Pen Voice Recorder. Imagine a device that combines the timeless utility of a pen with the cutting-edge technology of a voice recorder. That's exactly what a pen recorder is. A small, powerful HD audio recorder, perfect for many situations, recording lectures, voices, meetings, or even ghost hunting. With USB for easy use, this portable recorder is always handy, with large memory and up to 20 hours of battery life. It comes with 64 gigabytes memory, giving it the potential to store up to 800 hours of recordings and 30,000 songs. No need to worry about the loss of files due to power exhaustion. The recording file is automatically saved when the power is exhausted. But this pen recorder is much more than just a recording device. It's also a fully functional writing tool and can be used as a U-disc. You can get this gadget for just $34. Number 10. Tracker Card. Never lose your wallet again with this gadget. The Extra Tracker Card ensures you can always find your wallet or other items with ultra-precise tracking. It comes with a powerful solar battery, provides only 3 hours of light, and will last for 2 months. You can also charge it using your phone's flashlight. Additionally, it features a voice control system, and you can never leave it behind, as it will always alert you with a ping. It's sold for $49. Number 11. GPS Tracker. This GPS tracker is one of the most versatile on the market. Made with ultra-durable and waterproof materials, it can withstand the toughest weather conditions. It comes with an LED light, which can be disabled via the app so the device won't give away its location with glaring flashlights. The GPS tracker includes a built-in high-strength magnet and is easy to install in or on vehicles. You can get it for $29. Number 12. Spy Camera Hidden in Charger. This spy camera comes at a new level, hidden in a charger. With this gadget, you can easily keep an eye on your unfaithful partner, roommates, the elderly, and a whole lot of other targets. You can record video while charging, and it does so in clear 1080p full video with a 102 degrees wide angle of view. The spy camera is very simple to use as it doesn't require Wi-Fi. Just insert a microSD card and plug it into an outlet, power bank, or USB port using a USB cable. The camera will start recording right away. You can watch the recorded video on any device with no additional software. The gadget is worth $40. Number 13. Book Camera. Beware, this might look like a simple student dictionary, but it's definitely not. It's a watchdog. It can capture or record video of what is happening around you when you are not around. A high-end CCD camera is integrated into the book, and no one will detect it unless told. It also comes with a 30-hour rechargeable battery. You can now monitor your home without anyone getting wiser. The book camera is worth $249. Number 14. Hidden Camera Clothes Hook. This gadget is definitely a plus for the security-conscious geek who has had it with petty theft. This camera is much more discreet than most. With its low power consumption, it has an extended recording time. The camera sells for $36. Number 15. Multi-tool collar. This gadget is for anyone not wanting to be caught off guard. Made from titanium, these collar straighteners also double as handy tools you can store unseen inside your neck bands. These featherweight collars keep your collar looking sharp and are virtually indestructible. It's selling for $30. Number 16. The button camera. The button camera has just made creeping that much easier. This tiny body-worn spy camera provides a high-definition 1080p resolution and a 45 to 60-minute battery life. It supports a 64 GB microSD card, which will store 32 hours of video and audio. The compact and low-profile design blends in well with a button-down shirt, making it ideal for face-to-face encounters. You can get it for $79. Number 17. Spy Cap. This spy cap comes with a Full HD camera and Wi-Fi, control via an app on your smartphone. It looks like a baseball cap, but there's a camera hidden in it. The lens is in front of the camera, so you don't have to worry about where you can discreetly hide the camera. The camera lens captures exactly what you are looking at. The lens of the hidden camera in the cap shoots at an angle of 70 degrees, and the video is stored on the inserted microSD card up to a maximum capacity of 32 GB. You can get the gadget for $141. Number 18. Belt Spy Camera. This spy camera will enable you to capture any unforeseen scenes with the camera hidden in the loop. The camera is located on the buckle of the belt and features an internal memory slot for a micro SD card. The gadget is worth $182. Number 19. The Cross Spy Camera. The Cross Spy Camera is probably the cleverest spy camera in existence. This video camera is disguised as a cross, which has to somehow be sacrilegious. One now needs to think twice before divulging information in a house of worship. It sold for $64. Number 20. Watch Phone. This gadget is multifunctional in the sense that it works as a watch, which is what it looks like, and also as a phone. This phone comes equipped with a 1.3 megapixel camera, touchscreen operation, and SIM card functionality, and it plays knob threes. You can get it for $121. Which of these gadgets do you think meet the must-have criteria? Let's know in the comment section and why. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching this video.